Hello viewers, welcome you all. How are you all? Hope doing great. The purpose of making this different video is to explain my feelings, what I got since the last 1.5 years. I want to share my experiences of making these videos, getting the comments, getting the subscribers. So I've started this journey of this uploading the videos on YouTube during the month of September 2020, during pandemic, when I was just idle at home. My son suggested me, why not to give the videos on different subjects? You have so much of experience. Since last 30 years I'm teaching the students of MBA, MCom, BCom, intermediate and professional courses. So you are having so much of content, why not give freely just on YouTube by uploading videos on YouTube? So I accepted. I thought that it's a good idea. So I have started this journey in September 2020, and till now, till today, I have uploaded more than 900 videos on different subjects, different topics like accounting, cost accounting, financial accounting, advanced accounting, and income tax, statistics, auditing, computerized accounting, business law. Apart from that, financial management, investment management, so many videos. But still I'm getting a lot of comments from the students and the parents of the students to upload many different subjects. Particularly I'm getting request from MBA students for making statistics for management, accounting for management, operation research, operation management, international finance, security analysis and portfolio management. All these I have the content I can give, but the time problem is there. And particularly for graduation students, presently I'm getting the request for cost control and management accounting. Particularly last few days I'm getting more request for this subject. Inshallah, I've started that subject and very soon I'll complete it. But my request to the students, what I've observed, I'm getting more views just before examination. During a particular period, as soon as the notification comes from the university, immediately the students will gear up to watch the videos. But that is not the right strategy. Follow my suggestions. According to my experience, I'm telling you, you must have the knowledge. The main purpose of acquiring the education is to get the knowledge. Knowledge is power. Simply, if you think of getting a good grade, good marks, then good rank, that is not enough. That is important, but not ultimate. The ultimate is you must have the knowledge. You must have the complete command on the subject. So, whenever while uploading the video, I stress on the point of watching the theory video. For every subject, first video I'll upload on theory. I'll explain the concept of the topic. Don't ignore that video. It is just like if you directly go to the problems without understanding the concept. It's just like constructing a building without any foundation. So that is so important. First watch the theory video. Be clear about the concept. Then go to the problem. And continuously watch the video. Don't watch the video just before examination. What I'm seeing, there is disparity in the views. Sometimes views are coming down. All of a sudden the views are jumping a high level. This is on account of students watching the video just before examination. Remember, you cannot get the complete knowledge just 1 or 2 days, 1 week before examination. The syllabus will be vast syllabus. So it requires a little bit more work. Consistently, daily, watch the video for at least half an hour, at least 1 or 2 videos. Like this, you can get a good command on the subject. So, what I expect from my viewers, because I am very much motivated by seeing your comments, by seeing the messages, I feel very much touched that so many students love my channel. They can understand my method of teaching. So I'm proud of it. I pray to the Almighty that you all be blessed with abundant knowledge, with immense knowledge. That's my intention. So ultimately, the purpose of making this video is what I have seen in the last 1.5 years. There is no consistency in the views. Sometimes more views, sometimes less views. It should not be like that. Consistently watch the video. I'm thankful to the viewers that I'm getting the comments not only in India but from abroad too. So many viewers, so many subscribers are there. But the thing is, there are some limitations on me too. I have other obligations. The whole day I cannot devote on making the videos and all these things. Only as a part-time, in the evening time, I'll forego all my other personal, leisure time. I'll devote it on YouTube. I'll make my own videos, I'll edit it, I'll save it, I'll upload, I'll make all SEO, everything I myself have to make. That makes my work a little bit difficult. And lastly, the thing is, don't watch the video only before examination. Before examination, watch the videos continuously. I'm putting a lot of effort in explaining as if I'm teaching just before the students. Like that, I'm putting the efforts. So apart from this, I got a number of requests from IGCSE and GCSE students pursuing the education of Cambridge and also Pearson and Excel. So I have started a second channel by name Hans Accounting Institute. So in that channel, I am uploading all the videos regarding the IGCSE courses, regarding accounting, business studies, economics. These 3 topics are there in IGCSE. So I've started uploading. Do visit that channel. Lot of plentiful, knowledgeable videos are there on that channel, Hans Accounting Institute. So I'm uploading there. And if you have any friend circle or any known person who are pursuing this IGCSE course, you can suggest them to watch these videos on Hans Accounting Institute channel. So I wish you all the best in your preparations for your life. Do watch the video, but don't skip in between and don't join in between. Watch the video till the end to get the complete command. And as usual, give your messages, give your comments on my videos. If you are having a particular subject requirement, just to tell me. I'm here to give you more and more, maximum, whatever I have the knowledge I want to give, I want to share it with you. So thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you will continue watching and be blessed with the knowledge, and my always blessings with you all to become successful in life, in your career, getting immense knowledge on your field of study. Okay, all the best.